Welcome to the Autel Sky App tutorials. In the Autel Sky App, we have themes and templates to help support your creative projects and make post-production easier. Start by opening the Autel Sky App and selecting Album. Click Create at the lower right corner and select the theme you'd like to use. Click Use Template to enter the creation page, and follow the on-screen instructions to select and import video clips. Click Next. The app will generate a preview video automatically. Click the video clips to edit one by one. You can trim video footage or change to another clip. After editing, you can add filters and clip end. Finally, click Generate at the top right corner. Set the video output format and click Confirm to generate the video. The final video will save automatically to your smartphone albums. Click Share to share the video on social media. Thanks for watching!